I use mine as a bookmark.
I use him to help teach my class.
It's time for game plans.
And for a limited time offer, you can get yourself a Silly Man too.
Hey Stats with data analytics students, I want to show you guys how I'm using spreadsheets or Google Sheets in real life. I was able to get the student ID number from the school's database, Aries, but in order to input scores into eCadence, I need an email address. So I have the student ID number, and in this next column I have the part I want to add, and then I'm going to insert the formula concat. Concat's going to join them together. Notice at the front have to have equal sign. Then it's going to tell you concatenate of two values under new parentheses, and my two values are A3 and B3. And it gives me a preview above that. I press enter. And now the formula has there, so I want that for every cell. So I just highlight pressing shift and then. Okay, and so that was one way I use Sheets to make my life a lot easier cleaning up the data.
The new all-purpose Inkman has arrived. With all your favorite catchphrases like
It's time for game plans.
and capable of doing anything you need.
I use mine as a bookmark.
I use him to help teach my class.
It's time for game plans.
And for a limited time offer, you can get yourself a Silly Man too.